As global demand for seafood continues to rise, seafood processing plants are rapidly expanding their operations and upgrading their automated facilities, particularly those in coastal nations. Seafood processing environments, characterized by constant humidity and extreme temperature fluctuations, face a heightened risk of contamination. Consequently, the equipment utilized in this sector must adhere to stringent hygiene requirements. Automated systems must not only deliver reliable operational performance, but also be capable of withstanding high-pressure washing and corrosion caused by exposure to salts, oils, and cleaning agents. In this project, the automated seafood processing system integrates a range of critical functions, encompassing weighing, labeling, packaging, inspection, and batch traceability. Each workstation is equipped with a Taicenn full IP66 IP69K rated industrial panel PC, enabling real-time data acquisition and interaction with scales, barcode scanners, label printers, and PLCs. Furthermore, operators can monitor key production metrics in real time via precision PCAP touch displays, thereby comprehensively boosting overall response efficiency and minimizing equipment downtime. To robustly support these high-strength workflows, Taicenn offer our full IP66 and IP69K stainless steel panel PCs, TPCS CS156HE1 model into the project. It integrates exceptional durability, powerful processing performance, and a comprehensive array of I/O interfaces. This stainless steel panel PC designs with all M12 waterproof connectors and provides flexible expansions to achieve more I/O connections.